Hi, in this video, you will learn about attribute match type not equal. So to show an example for this not equal, I have to open the Centric Data Solutions object and then go to application modeler. And then I need to click on launch so that we can launch that application and I can show you the use of not equal attribute match type. Let me click on a staff number first. Okay, so you can see here in the staff number we have all these attributes selected with the match type equal. Now how we can use that not equal here? We have y, attribute name y equal 286. Now what will happen if I'll click on not equal? Then you know what will happen? This attribute that y is used for a staff number, that is the first one. Now I have selected here not equal, so what will happen? It will go to the second one, that is a password. Even I'm not specifying that the y value is 357. I'm just saying not equal to 286. It means it will go to the password one. So let's highlight this and you can see it is highlighting password. Same way, if I'll click on this password text box and here we have y equal 357, and if I'll change this to the not equal, so it will say that this y should not be equal to 357. It means it will not click on this, it will highlight on this one. Click on highlight and you can see it is going to the staff number, right? So basically here I'm giving an example so that you can understand how this not equal match type works. I hope you got an idea. Thank you.